Well, Vicki, some tense moments unfolding in court today during Sean Diddy Combs' sex trafficking trial. Brianna Bongolan just wrapped up her second day of testimony, and the defense team accused her of lying about Combs' allegedly holding her over a 17th-story balcony back in 2016. Now, she pushed back, saying that she had no doubt that it happened, and she wanted to testify to seek justice. NBC News senior national correspondent Stephanie Gosk joins us now from outside that courthouse. Stephanie, there was, this heated moment that happened during the lunch break, actually, where the judge threatened to remove Combs from the courtroom. What preceded that?
Yeah, it's really interesting, Morgan. So the jury went out, Brianna Bongolan went out, and the judge turned to the defense team and said, your client was nodding vigorously during the testimony towards the jurors. Now, there are strict rules that the client, the defendant, is not allowed to make any kind of eye contact with the jury. The judge told them that is absolutely unacceptable and asked if it was going to happen again. The defense team said no, it will not happen again. And the judge replied, well, that's good, because if it does, then I may remove Combs entirely from the courtroom, which would be quite a big deal, Morgan.
There's a woman who goes by the pseudonym Jane in this case who's expected to take the stand next. After already a pretty explosive day, as you mentioned, not only in the court but during the lunch break, what do we expect to see and what do we expect the tone to be for the rest of the day?
Yeah, Morgan, we actually expect maybe she'll take the stand after this lunch break for sure, and that it's going to be quite graphic, detailed testimony, and it's expected to last for days. Now, according to the prosecution, she had direct experience with these freak-off parties that Combs had, these kind of drug-fueled, days-long parties. According to the prosecution, she's going to talk about how she was coerced into participating in those parties. She's also, according to the prosecution, going to share some stories about her personally being assaulted by Combs, including one incident where she was put in a headlock and dragged across the floor. So it could be very detailed and very graphic in the coming days, Morgan.
All right, Stephanie Gosk just outside that courthouse for us. Stephanie, thank you.